What's going on, guys? So today Britt and I are going to be fishing at the only way I know to refer to it is as mile marker 116. I found this place when I was driving home from camping one time. If you watch my videos, you've probably seen that, but I haven't been back here in a few months, so I decided to come back here today. It's normally a good fishing spot, so I'm going to try our luck here today. Okay, so I'm starting off with a worm today. So remember to try and set the hook, but you'll figure it out the more we, like, yeah. But who will catch a fish first today? Oh. Okay, they're in the small pocket on the backpack. Oh, hold on. Dang it, dude. There we go. All right, fish number one, little shiner. Let's get him back. So this is actually one of the few places I've caught yellow perch in Alabama. Britt's on, oh, she lost it. I'm on. Woo! I got a shell cracker. All right, fish number two for me, little red ear sunfish. And there he goes. All right, so we're about 7 minutes in, and I've got two fish. Britt is yet to get her first one, but she's getting bites. She's just not setting the hook, I think. But her hook was bent, so made it a little more difficult for her, I'm sure. Oh, fish on. Looks like a red breast sunfish. All right, third fish, third species for me for the day. It's a red breast sunfish, a red ear sunfish, and a shiner.
Get too excited. I let it hit me for a minute. There it is, there it is! There it is, there it is! Oh my God, I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it. Red breast sunfish, cause, yeah. Oh, I got you.
Those sunfish will spine you.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
So you want to go over their head and push their spines back.
Okay.
No, this is, maybe this, but yeah, so if you're grabbing it, see how their spines go this way? That's how you get hurt. Or it'll
so
poke
you go down?
Yeah, you just go down.
Okay. Okay.
All right, here's, oh!
Sorry. Nice. Oh, 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 I got something. I got something. I got something.
Double up, get it. Oh, you got it fast. Nice.
Oh, for real?
All right, so we just doubled up. Britt got a largemouth, and I got a little crappie. This actually I didn't catch a crappie at all last year, but
yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah, white crappie. She got the biggest fish for the day, but let's let him go.
Yeah, I mean it seems like it is. Oh man, is that the
small red ear sunfish?
Red ear. Okay, I see. Yeah.
And also their mouths, that's what they're called, shell crackers. They mostly eat like shell, like little.
Shell, like on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't even get the worm. You should at least give him a little treat.
Sometimes you have to go to the doctor. Oh, oh, nice.
Whoa, that was huge, Chris. Is that a
Bass.
bass?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, first bass for me for the day. Not as big as Britt's, but definitely a numbers day for sure. Glad we came out.
Yeah, this is an awesome spot. It really is. That one's huge. I think that was bigger than
No, it was not. Not even close. No.
you like it.
All right, guys, so it ended up being a great day of fishing. We ended up probably catching over 20 fish between the two of us, but I will catch you next time. Until then, take care.